You've been told succulents need the sun, right? But what if I told you that some of them actually prefer your dark corners, shady bookshelves, and dull office desks? Sounds impossible? Well, brace yourself because these 14 succulents survive indoors all year without direct sunlight, and a few even thrive in it. The snake plant is almost too good to be true. It's tough, drought-tolerant, and doesn't complain about being left in a dim corner. Whether you choose the classic green or a variegated variety, it just keeps going and quietly purifies the air while it's at it. Burrow's tail might look delicate with its trailing beaded stems, but don't be fooled. The succulent loves shade and absolutely hates overwatering. Keep it high on a shelf where nobody can bump into it. These plump leaves drop at the slightest touch. The panda plant brings a touch of charm with its fuzzy blue-green leaves, edged in brown. It doesn't need bright light, but it does get thirsty faster than most succulents. Water it once the soil dries out and keep it out of reach. Those soft leaves are cute but toxic. The string of hearts turns any dull corner into a romantic vine-draped escape. Its heart-shaped leaves trail beautifully from shelves or curtain rods. While it tolerates shade, if the vines get leggy, it's a silent cry for a little extra filtered light or a grow light. With silvery gray rosettes that look like they've been dusted with moonlight, Ghost Echeveria doesn't mind the dark. It stores water in its thick leaves and can handle shade, just water even less than usual. Too much love and it'll start to fade. Bold and striking with white stripes across dark green leaves, the zebra plant is an attention seeker that thrives in low light. It loves humidity, so if its leaves start curling, a misting session or pebble tray might just bring it back to life. The ZZ plant practically thrives on neglect. No light? No problem. Forget to water it for weeks? It doesn't care. It's a sculptural, glossy green plant that's perfect for offices and rooms with little to no sunlight. Just don't overdo it with the watering. Everyone knows aloe vera for its healing gel. But did you know it can live in low light too? It won't grow fast, but it'll survive just fine without sunlight. Just remember, total darkness is a no-go. Rotate the pot now and then to keep it even. Ox tongue is as strange as it sounds. Thick, rough, textured leaves that spiral out like a lizard's tongue make this succulent a talking point. It grows fine in partial shade and might even surprise you with a flower spike if it's feeling generous. The jade plant is a classic for good reason. Glossy green leaves, thick stems, and an aura of prosperity. It brings in good luck and stays alive through just about anything. It doesn't mind low light, but don't be too generous with the water. The African milk tree looks like a cactus, but isn't one. Its upright stems and little leaves give it a weirdly charming look. While its sap is toxic, it grows surprisingly well in low light areas. Just wear gloves if you ever need to repot it. This spiky cousin of the snake plant, the cylindrical snake plant, has rounded leaves that shoot straight up like green spears. It thrives in shade, barely needs water, and will rot if you pamper it. Honestly, it's the perfect plant if you forget it exists most days. Soft, chubby, fuzzy, and shaped like tiny bear paws. This succulent looks like it walked out of a fairy tale. Bear paw loves shade, but you won't see its orange flowers unless it gets more sun. Still, even without blooms, it's irresistibly cute. Hens and chicks are the ultimate survivors. The mama rosette produces baby chicks endlessly, even squeezing them through cracks and corners. They prefer sunlight, but indoors they'll still do fine in shade, just slower, maybe a bit shy with the babies. So, who says you need a sunny garden to grow succulents? These beauties prove you can turn any dark corner into a thriving green escape. If you found a favorite among these, let us know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more plant wisdom straight from the shade.